oral presentation. I spend much time surfing on the internet to find regarding pictures and videos, and I practiced many times in front of my roommates. During presentation, I was too nervous, so there was no body language, no smile, no intonation. Next time, I will recall my sound during practicing to improve my intonation, and I'll control tensions to be less nervous on the stage. I hope I could speak fluently. Add some body language to presentation. I will do my best for my final oral presentation. Thank you.